Alright, I got a Waltham here. I replaced the mainspring. She had a nasty little breakage in there, so we replaced her. I have something stuck down in the crown stem that I need to remove. I was messing around with one of the cases and I wanted to see if I could get a shorter stem to work, and well, needless to say, now I can't get that piece out, so we'll just take it apart. I'll attempt to do this on video so you can see. If I can do it without destroying my pocket watch, trying to do it with the camera or phone. So with this stem, I really don't have to take apart the whole clock. A lot of this will just pop out, and a lot of it will stay together. Get a screw still tight. Hey. So you can see the stems here. This is actually the mainspring here inside this guy. Should come out. Yep. So inside this guy is the problem. You'll see here. The pin comes out the bottom when you push the top of the crown, and that's what allows you to change your hands and all that, versus wind it up. Had some junk in there. It should be good now. I still even see it. So that pin goes back and forth when you push your crown in and out. There it is. See all of that right there? That was the problem. Yeah, so now we put it back together. Always a fun exercise, right? So that stem goes right into there. So this should move the hands now. Oh man, look, there's still another piece in there. That's why I was banging on it so hard. I knew there had to be more. Jesus, this guy. There we go. More. Alright. She's clear. Sorry about the focus. So close on this thing. Killing my neck as it is. So that little mechanism there is the part that engages it to wind. So when it's in its normal position, pushed down, that whole mechanism is locked, and it allows it to wind up. It's sticking on the thing. Okay. When it's not engaged, it allows you to move the hands like so. Well, you see the gears wanting to turn. Try to do as much as I can on the camera, of course. Make sure it's flush. Get it down tight. Install the last gear for the mainspring crank. Keep in mind this is just one of my pocket watches. Normal case, you don't want to touch any pieces ever with your hands from the oils, so be sure to use tweezers or gloves. Okay. Ready to make sure it works. I use the lens there to keep from putting pressure on the face and hands without having to take the whole thing apart and just put it back together. So this should move the hands. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and so yeah, I don't have them thick enough, but when you press that guy in, that should be allowing it to the crank. A piece to show you with it open, but notice as it doesn't crank like it was before. That's because right now the hands are moving. Alright, so that'll conclude my video of I don't know what, taking the thing apart, pull some wood out. Thanks for watching. It's Waltham.